Good to see you here. It's been a while since we've been together. I am waiting.